second gear, 35 miles an hour. This thing's hungry tonight. I don't even know what I got up to. I think I just turned it off at like 90. I said turned it off, but kind of just like let it stop at 90. You spin the tires, this thing's gone. Hey, these 30 rolls is what I need to be doing. 35, second gear, 35. And I said forget it, because that road kind of gets sketchy, but oh my goodness, bro. Jesus. I didn't even ring it out all the way because coming out of board. That road, it gets like, it's straight, but I don't want to hit it before I get to that kind of like that that turn that I passed, because sometimes a cop could be sitting there with the lights shut off. So I make sure that I don't hit it, even though I have the radar detector. Still don't hit it until I get to that kind of that turn. Pop a U-turn over here, and then probably like a 40 to 120 or a 35 to 120 full, if possible. That motherfucker eat right there. Just cruise it in neutral. There's a cop right there. Damn. I was like, where is the cop? Actually hooked up pretty well right there too, because usually I'll spin like a motherfucker in the 35, but it spun for like a second and then hooked up. But that thing wasn't bad. It's a pretty good pull. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kind of want to do some test hits in some cool weather. If The only time I actually kind of like ran this car was when it was hot. Like it got down around like a 90-degree day, and I was only racing it when it was like, you know, 70, 80 degrees out. Now that it's around like 60, 55 at night here in Houston, kind of wanted to see where the car was at, how it acts, and pretty much what I need to do in the future. 100% need to get a tire on this car because it is spinning its ass off. And the funny thing about it is, like, these are technically 200 tread wear tires. I have the Federal 595, I think they're like SS's or the RS's, the performance version of the 595s, which the regular ones are not good tires at all. They're kind of used for like stance and stretching. These quote-unquote performance tires, they're all right. They worked fine in Illinois, but I think it was because like it was still warmer outside, or maybe just the air quality and just, you know, the difference in, I guess, the road quality made a huge difference compared to out there to here in Houston. A lot of the roads out here are flat. They're not torn up by the salt like they were in Illinois. So I guess technically, because of the roads being better quality, it being cooler outside, the car is obviously making a little bit more power because it is boosted. So the tires are spinning a lot more because it's just better environment altogether. So that's kind of good to know. Definitely need to get a tire because this thing, 30 roll spins, 35 spins, 40 it spins. But that's kind of where I have to, you know, drive this car in second gear if I want to do a roll. Technically, I only need to be doing 50 rolls in third gear because that is really where I can actually get full potential for this car without it actually being, you know, spinning like crazy. So just some food for thought. If you guys, you know, have 14 gears in boost, they don't mix. You guys know I kind of learned that the hard way because this car actually had the 14 gears before I actually purchased it. Went ahead and boosted it, and now I'm actually kind of realizing that this is something that needs to be removed and switched to 373s, or hell, maybe even the stock gear. So yeah, test hits, know what you guys think. I let it out, you know, as long as I wanted to. I didn't want to go, you know, red line to red line because, you know, it's just for fun. But hope you guys enjoy. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.